Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the live binary options chart. Today we're going to show you what this tool is all about and how you could use it in your own trading strategies. It features a chart similar to the one in the trading tool called Trading View. You can see that live binary options chart has similar options to what Trading View has. The overall structure of this tool looks very similar to that of Trading View. The only difference is that there are 4 indicators in the live binary options: accumulation, distribution, average day range, a Rune oscillator, and average true range. So the tool comes with these 4 indicators. Along with these indicators, there are several other tools. We have the cross dot arrow eraser tool, the trend line tool, the fib replacement, the pitchfork, and the shift pitchfork tools. We also have a brush tool, a text tool, an X ABCD pattern tool, and a head and shoulders pattern tool, which you can use to draw or apply on your chart. In here we have a widget menu, which you can click on and see the overall key stats of the asset you have selected. The chosen asset here is MasterCard Inc. Here you can see all of the relevant information of MasterCard: how the stock is doing currently, its days range, its 52-week range. And here we have the key stats, which show the volume, average volume, market cap, dividends yield, and price-to-earnings ratio. And we have basic shares sold. Below all this is the earnings of the selected stock, which in our case is MasterCard. Q3 2021 earnings are on October 28. The next earnings will be on February 4. Below this, you can see the bar chart describing the income statement of the company. We have the annual bar chart and the quarterly bar chart. Below this is the performance of the stock over 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year to date, and 1 year. Here we have a feature similar to what Trading View has, a gauge that measures where the interest is. As you can see, for MasterCard, we have a strong buy interest. Below this, we have the profile of the website and employees, and the type of business the company is engaged in. This widget option gives you these key stats, and when you click on the hot list option, for several different exchanges, you can view the symbol, last, change, and change difference. You can select any one of these exchanges. For instance, if I select NYSE, I can choose which one I want, and it will be applied to the chart. On the chart bar, we have symbol search, which we can use to search for any other symbol. And here we have the time frame, or time interval for the chart. We have selected the 1-hour time frame. You can select the time frame that suits your own strategy. Here we have the bar chart. We can display the candle chart as well, and here is the area chart. From here you can select the chart type you want. We can also compare the selected symbol to another symbol. Here we have the indicators list. We already have the 4 indicators on the chart. If we try to add another indicator, so you can only use these 4 indicators. If you need more, you have to buy the premium or pro version of the tool. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. As you can see, it's a beginner-friendly tool that you can apply on your own trading strategies, and it's fairly easy to master. This has been a tutorial on the live binary options chart. Thanks for watching.